Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Uncovering Java 14's new features, a comprehensive guide with code examples. Java 14, released in March 2020, brought a host of new features and improvements aimed at enhancing developer productivity, improving performance, and modernizing the language. While not as revolutionary as some previous releases, Java 14 offered valuable additions that are well worth understanding and adopting. This tutorial will delve into the most significant new features of Java 14, providing detailed explanations and illustrative code examples for each. We'll cover 1. Records * simplify data modeling with immutable classes. 2. Text blocks * create multi-line strings with ease. 3. Helpful null pointer exceptions * pinpoint the exact variable causing the exception. 4. Pattern matching for instanceof * reduce boilerplate code when checking and casting. 5. Switch expressions, standard improve the expressiveness and safety of switch statements. 6. Packaging tool, incubator package Java applications for distribution. 7. Deprecation of parallel scavenge and serial old GC combination * prepare for future changes. Let's dive in. 1. Records, simplifying data modeling. Records are a new kind of class in Java 14 designed to serve as simple data carriers. They are immutable data classes that automatically generate constructors, accessors, getters, equals, hashcode, and toString methods based on their components. This significantly reduces boilerplate code, especially for classes primarily used to hold data. Key benefits **** conciseness * reduces the amount of code needed for data classes. * immutability * encourages the creation of immutable objects, leading to safer and more predictable code. Data focused * explicitly declares the class's purpose as holding data. Readability * makes it easy to understand the data structure. Syntax ***. Example ***. Explanation ***. The record point, int x, int y, declaration defines a record named point with two components, x and y, both of type int. The compiler automatically generates. A canonical constructor with parameters x and y. Accessor methods, x, and y, note, not getX, and getY. Implementations for equals, hashcode, and toString, based on the components. Records are implicitly final, cannot be subclassed. However, they can implement interfaces. You can add additional methods, constructors, non-canonical, meaning they delegate to the canonical constructor, static fields, and nested types to records. Records cannot have mutable instance fields. All fields are implicitly final. Records can implement interfaces. Example with additional method and interface ***. When to use records ***. When you need a simple data container with minimal boilerplate. When immutability is desired. When you want to improve code readability and reduce verbosity. 2. Text blocks, multi-line strings with ease. Text blocks are a more convenient way to define multi-line strings in Java. Prior to Java 14, creating multi-line strings involved cumbersome string concatenation, escape sequences, and potential indentation issues. Text blocks eliminate these problems by allowing you to embed multi-line text directly in your code. Key benefits readability improves the readability of multi-line strings. Reduced boilerplate eliminates the need for string concatenation and excessive escape sequences. Asterisk preserves formatting. Asterisk preserves the indentation and line breaks of the text within the block. Syntax asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk text blocks are delimited by 3 double quote characters, at the beginning and end. Asterisk the opening must be followed by a line terminator, new line. Asterisk the closing determines the incidental witty space that will be removed. All witty space to the left of the closing delimiter on each line is stripped. Asterisk escape sequences, \n, \t, etc., are still supported within text blocks. However, they are often not necessary due to the preserved formatting. Example asterisk. Controlling indentation asterisk. Java 14 provides ways to control indentation within text blocks. Asterisk incidental witty space removal asterisk. As mentioned, the position of the closing determines the amount of witty space that is removed from each line. Asterisk explicit formatting asterisk. You can use string.format to explicitly format the text block and control indentation. Example of controlling indentation asterisk. When to use text blocks asterisk. Asterisk when you need to define multi-line strings, such as HTML, XML, JSON, SQL queries, or code snippets. Asterisk when you want to improve the readability and maintainability of your code. 3. Helpful null pointer exceptions asterisk asterisk. Java 14 introduced a much improved null pointer exception, NPE, that provides more information about the cause of the exception. Previously, NPEs often only indicated the line number where the error occurred, making it difficult to pinpoint the exact variable that was null. Java 14's enhanced NPEs provide a more descriptive message that identifies the variable that triggered the exception. Key benefits asterisk. Asterisk faster debugging asterisk reduces the time it takes to diagnose and fix null pointer exception errors. Asterisk precise error identification asterisk clearly identifies the variable that is null. Asterisk improved developer productivity asterisk makes it easier to understand and resolve null pointer exceptions. How it works asterisk. The JVM analyzes the bytecode to determine the precise variable that is null. The exception message then includes the name of the variable or expression that evaluated to null. Example asterisk. Before Java 14, without enhanced NPEs, the exception message might only show the line number. With Java 14, enhanced NPEs, the exception message would more clearly indicate the problem. Or something similar to that. This message directly tells you that person.getAddress returned null, which is the source of the problem. Important note asterisk. Enhanced NPEs are enabled by default. You can disable them using the JVM option XX show code details in exception messages. When enhanced NPEs are helpful asterisk. Asterisk when you have nested method calls where it's not immediately obvious which call is returning null. Asterisk when debugging complex code with multiple possible null values. 4. Pattern matching for instanceof asterisk asterisk. Pattern matching for instanceof allows you to combine the type check, instanceof, and the type cast into a single operation, eliminating the need for a separate cast. This reduces boilerplate code and improves readability. Key benefits asterisk. Asterisk conciseness asterisk reduces the amount of code required for type checking and casting. Asterisk readability asterisk makes the code easier to understand and follow. Asterisk safety asterisk the cast is guaranteed to be safe because the type check is performed first. Syntax asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk the instanceof string s checks if the object is an instance of string. Asterisk if the check is successful, a new variable s of type string is automatically created and assign the value of the object cast to string. Asterisk the variable s is only available within the if block where the instanceof check is true. Example asterisk. Scoping rules asterisk. The scope of the pattern variable, example s in the example, is limited to the if block or the else if block where the instanceof check is true. It is not available outside those blocks. If using or and, be careful to ensure that the variable is definitely assigned before being used, to avoid compile time errors. Example showing scoping asterisk. When to use pattern matching for instanceof asterisk. Asterisk when you need to check the type of an object and then use it as that type. Asterisk when you want to reduce boilerplate code and improve readability. 5. Switch expressions, standard. Switch expressions, which were a preview feature in earlier Java versions, became a standard feature in Java 14. They provide a more concise and expressive way to write switch statements. Switch expressions offer several improvements over traditional switch statements, including asterisk conciseness asterisk reduces the amount of code needed. Asterisk no fall through asterisk eliminates the need for break statements, by default. Asterisk value returning asterisk can directly return a value. Asterisk arrow syntax asterisk introduces the arrow, dash, operator for more concise case labels. Key benefits asterisk. Asterisk reduced boilerplate asterisk simplifies switch statements, especially when returning values. Asterisk improved readability asterisk makes code easier to understand and maintain. Asterisk safer asterisk eliminates the risk of fall-through errors, accidental omission of break statements. Syntax asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk arrow syntax, dash the arrow operator replaces the traditional colon, and break statement. The code to the right of the arrow is executed if the case matches. No fall-through occurs. Asterisk comma separated cases asterisk multiple case labels can be combined using commas, example case Wednesday, Thursday. Asterisk yield keyword asterisk when the switch expression needs to return a value and a case involves executing a block of code, you must use the yield keyword to specify the value to be returned. If you omit yield in this scenario, the code will not compile. Asterisk completeness asterisk for switch expressions that return a value, the switch statement must be exhaustive. This means that all possible input values must be handled, either by a case label or a default label. If the compiler cannot guarantee that all possible values are handled, it will generate an error. Example asterisk. Switching on enum types asterisk. Switch expressions are particularly well suited for working with enum types. The compiler can enforce completeness checks to ensure that all enum values are handled. Example with enums asterisk. When to use switch expressions asterisk. Asterisk when you need to perform conditional logic based on a value and you want a more concise and readable syntax than traditional switch statements. Asterisk when you need to return a value based on a condition. Asterisk when you want to avoid the risk of fall-through errors. Asterisk when working with enum types. 6. Packaging tool, incubator. Java 14 included an incubator module for a packaging tool, JPackage. This tool allows you to package your Java applications into platform-specific installable formats, example.exe for Windows, .dmg for Mac OS, .deb for Linux. This simplifies the distribution process and makes it easier for users to install and run your applications. Important notes asterisk. Asterisk JPackage was an incubator module in Java 14, meaning it was not yet a fully supported feature. This means it might have had limitations and could have changed in future versions. It has since evolved and improved in later versions of Java. Since Java 16, JPackage is no longer an incubator module and is now a standard tool. General steps, conceptual, may vary slightly based on OS and Java version. 1. Install JavaFX. JPackage relies on JavaFX. Ensure that JavaFX is installed and configured correctly. If you are using a modern JDK 11+, and are using modular development, ensure JavaFX is a required module. 2. Create a package configuration file. Optional, you can create a configuration file, example package.properties, to specify various packaging options, such as the application name, version, description, and icon. 3. Run jpackage*. Use the jpackage command line tool to create the installable package. Example, illustrative, adapt to your specific setup. Explanation ***name, the name of the application. ***app version, the version of the application. ***description, a brief description of the application. ***input, the directory containing the application's jar file and any other dependencies. ***dest, the directory where the packaged installer will be created. ***main jar, the name of the main jar file. ***main class, the fully qualified name of the main class. ***module path and -add modules. If you're using modular Java, JDK 9+, this tells the package tool where to find the required JavaFX modules. How to get JPackage**. 1. Modern JDK 16+ JPackage is generally included in modern JDK distributions. 2. Older JDKs**. You might need to download and install JPackage separately or use an older version. Important considerations ***. Operating system compatibility *** Packaging tools are platform specific. You'll need to run JPackage on the target operating system to create the appropriate installer. Signing **. You may need to sign your installers to ensure they are trusted by the operating system. Documentation **. Refer to the official Java documentation for the most up-to-date information on JPackage usage and options. 7. Deprecation of parallel scavenge and serial old GC combination ***. Java 14 deprecated the combination of the parallel scavenge garbage collector, for the young generation, and the serial old garbage collector, for the old generation. This combination was not commonly used, and its deprecation paved the way for more modern GC algorithms. Impact **. If you were using this specific GC combination, XX plus use parallel GC XX use parallel old GC and / or XX plus use serial old GC, you would receive a deprecation warning. You should consider migrating to a different garbage collector combination, such as parallel GC XX plus use parallel GC XX plus use parallel old GC, parallel scavenge for the young generation and parallel old for the old generation. G1 GC XX plus use G1 GC, highly recommended for most applications. ZGC XX plus use ZGC, for very low latency requirements. Shenandoah GC XX plus use Shenandoah GC, another low latency GC. Why deprecation matters *. Deprecation is a warning sign that a feature is likely to be removed in a future version of Java. It's important to address deprecation warnings proactively to avoid compatibility issues. Conclusion *. Java 14 offered a valuable set of new features and improvements. Records simplify data modeling, text blocks enhance multi-line string handling, helpful null pointer exceptions speed up debugging, Pattern matching for instanceof reduces boilerplate code, switch expressions improve the expressiveness of switch statements, and the packaging tool, while incubated then and standard now, simplifies application distribution. Understanding and adopting these features can significantly improve your Java development workflow. Remember to always consult the official Java documentation for the most up-to-date information and best practices. As Java continues to evolve, embracing these new features will help you write cleaner, more efficient, and more maintainable code.